Hello everyone, Kolonji Murray with TaxAssurances. Just want to do a helpful video around IRA accounts and how they impact a tax return. So the two major types of or categories of IRAs are the traditional and the Roth. So the way that the traditional works is that as long as you are making the contribution within the tax year, you're able to actually take a tax deduction for that particular year. So that's the benefit with the Roth. There are certain circumstances where you may or may not qualify for that, but let's say for argument's sake that you do qualify and you're able to take that deduction during the course of the year. That is different than the Roth IRA. The Roth IRA, when you make a contribution, you are making a contribution that you do not get a tax deduction in that particular year for. However, when you do retire with the Roth IRA, it is a situation when you start taking the money out that you're able to take that money out tax-free. So let's say, for instance, over the course of your years of working, you contribute, let's say, $10,000 for argument's sake, and it grows to $70,000. Well, that $60,000 difference, that increase in income, in return, that you're able to start taking out and not having to pay taxes on that. So that's how the Roth long term is more beneficial than the traditional. So again, the Roth is a situation where you take the deduction during the course of the year that you make the contribution. The Roth, you only get the benefit once you start taking the money out in retirement. So as a taxpayer, you want to kind of decide, well, when do you need the tax benefit? Most importantly, with all of this, is you want to have a situation where you're saving for your retirement. So whether it's the traditional, whether it's the Roth, you can make those contributions and be able to get some sort of tax benefit. And that ultimately is why both of those accounts were set up, so that you can receive some sort of benefit that goes towards you saving for your retirement. If you've got more questions, by all means reach out. But until then, have a good one.